Good morning, boys and girls, or afternoon. Welcome to 5th grade Excel lesson number 2. Today, we're going to learn multiplication facts with products up through 30 and products with 5 up to 45 and 10 up to 90, 11 up to 99, or 12 up to 48 as factors. Multiplying a one-digit number by a three-digit number and solving multi-step word problems using addition and subtraction. We're learning a lot, but this is supposed to all be review for you. So here we go. Let's get the pen turned on here. Let's change the color. Oh no, let's do this color. Okay, so multiplication is a faster way of adding. 134 plus 134 plus 134 is 402. But instead of adding all those numbers, what if I have like 10 of them that I got to add together, or 20 or 30 of them, or 46 of them? I don't want to write that number that many times. I am going to write times that many times, times 3. 134 times 3 is what I'm doing for multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup with the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Regroup with the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 402, you can see they come out the same. All right, let's keep moving on here. Here's a multiplication problem, 346 times 4. And just in case you forgot how to do this, let's go over it. 6 times 4 is 24. Regroup with the 2. Then we multiply 4 times 4. Add the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Write the 8. Regroup with the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now, instead of multiplying, we're going to show that it's the same thing as adding it together. 346 4 times. Notice that the number 346 is written 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is the same thing as 6 times 4. That's 24. Regroup with the 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. Add 2. You get 18. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Add the 1 from the 18, and you get, that's 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Plus 1 is 13. 1,384 comes out to be the same. All right, why don't you try number 2? You're going to pause the video, do number 2, and then don't forget to do this one also, where you're going to add the 3 numbers together. Oh, I just told you. See, add the 3 numbers together. You're going to have to write those numbers over here. And after you have both answers, turn the video back on, and we'll see if you got it right. Pause now. Okay, so you should have already done number 2, both problems, given it your best shot. Don't stress out about like, oh, it's got to be right, it's got to be perfect. Well, you'll find out. That's the whole process of learning here. 4 times 3 is 12. You should have written a 2, regrouped with the 1 above the 9 there. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Regroup with the 2. There's your 28. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Now let's add these numbers together instead of multiplying. 294, 4, and 294. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Regroup with the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. Regroup with the 2. And then we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. 882, it matches. All right, pause the video, do number 3, and then turn it back on to see the solution. Okay, so you should have already done this problem and this one over here too. Should have done both of those with the answer. 7 times 2, 14. Regroup with the 1. 0 times 2 is 0. Then add the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 4 times 2 is 8. Should have written 407 2 times because it's 407 times 2. 7 plus 7 is 14. Regroup with the 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. Woohoo, they match up. Okay, now on these three problems, we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. Going to start with the addition, and we're going to change the addition into a multiplication problem. So here you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers being added together, and they're all the same. That's why we're multiplying times 6. Okay, pause the video. I want you to do 5 and 6. Do both of those. Get all the rest of these done, 5 and 6. Don't do number 7 yet, though. And then turn the video back on to see if you got it right. So you should have already done these. 7 plus 7 plus 7, that's 21. Regroup with the 2. Zeros plus 2 is equal to 2. And 6, 6, and 6 makes 18. Over here, you should have written 607 times 3. Did you do that right? 7 times 3 is 21. Regroup with the 2. 0 times 3 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 times 3 is 18. By the way, if you get anything wrong as you're doing this, you got to erase it and fix it. And pause the video at any time you need to, okay? Or you can go back and watch a part that you tried. You know, you could go do it again. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Should have put 28. Regroup with the 2. 3, 6, 9, 12 plus 2 is 14. Regroup with the 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 1 more makes 9. And we have 4 237s. So you should have multiplied by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Regroup with the 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Match-a-rooney. Woo! Okay, let's go to number 7. Jim threw 20, we'll do this one together, okay? See if you can kind of stay with me. Jim threw 26 sticks to his dog on Monday and 13 on Tuesday. So we got 26 Monday, 13 Tuesday. 12 of the sticks got lost in the bushes, so the dog couldn't bring them back. So 12 got lost. How many sticks did his dog bring back? Well, if he threw 26 one day, this is a really weird problem. Think about this. Keeping track of how many times we throw a stick for our dog. Kind of crazy. Okay, 26 on Monday, 13 on Tuesday. So how many sticks did he throw? Everybody write down here. Remember, you have to show all of your calculations. You can't just do it in your head because I want to see what you're doing in your head. I can't read your mind. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So he threw 39 sticks on Monday and Tuesday. 12 got lost in the bushes, so the dog couldn't bring them back. That means of those 39, 12 of those sticks were not brought back to Jim. So let's take those 12 away to see how many actually were brought back to Jim. Write this down. 27 sticks were brought back to Jim. Everybody write that. And then don't forget, we need to put a label with all word problem answers. 27 sticks. If you put 27 brought back, that doesn't really tell us what was brought back. So it's 27 sticks. All right, why don't you pause the video, do number 8 by yourself, and then turn the video back on to see if you got it right. Here we go. You should have already done number 8. Marcia did 7 pull-ups on Monday, 7 on Friday, 8 on Saturday, and 3 on Sunday. Vicky did 7 fewer than Marcia. How many pull-ups did Vicky do? Well, if Vicky did 7 fewer than Marcia, we got to figure out what Marcia did. And she did 7 on Friday, 8 on Saturday, and 3 on Sunday. If you add that up carefully, you get 18. And then if Vicky did 7 fewer, what is 7 fewer than 18? Let's find out. 7 fewer makes 11. So she did 11 what? Pull-ups. I'm a big kid now. Okay, there we go. But that's not what the pull-ups are. Here is a letter that is to be signed by your parents. Right down here so that I know that your parents know what's going on with all this crazy Excel math stuff.